Welcome to Theme Park Brothers. This is your construction update for Disney's Coronado Springs Resort for March 2017. We again found that barring a few areas of the resort, Coronado Springs was still as peaceful and beautiful as ever, and for the second month in a row, I found no reason to be alarmed by the construction. We will start in the parking lot and then work our way past the demolished and removed Cabanas building 9B. This is where most of the action is going on. As we move past Building 9A in the Cabanas, you can see how it might be a bit annoying for guests staying in the southern part of the building. I spoke with cast members who assured me that these rooms are not being sold to guests due to the fact that they are so close to the construction. One of our viewers asked us to research the area around Cabanas 8B, which we were happy to do. You will notice that the construction noise is not quite as bad around Building 8B. Moving on towards the Ranchos section of the resort, you will notice more construction equipment in the parking lot. This is due to the renovations taking place in Ranchos Building 7A. This does not seem to be an issue at all at this time. The surrounding buildings in Ranchos are not really affected. As we complete our walkthrough this week, we noticed that there are some minor inconveniences with construction crews working, but all in all, I still believe they are doing a fantastic job of making sure that the guests are not greatly or adversely impacted. If you'd like to follow along, we will be doing updates monthly to keep up with the progress. We'd love for you to subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks for watching. See you soon.